Hey guys, this is Brody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the new JBL Endurance Peak True Wireless headphones. For full disclosure, these were not sent to me or is this video sponsored. I did purchase these with my own money for this review. This is the JBL Endurance Peak True Wireless headphones and these were seen at the CES 2019. You can get these for $120 and I will leave a link to these down below in the show notes, and you can get these in 3 different colors: blue, black, and red. Inside you get a user manual, extra ear tips, flat micro USB cable, charging case, and then the headphones. The charging case holds up to 24 hours of extra charge, and the headphones give you 4 hours of playback, giving you a total of 28 hours. With the micro USB cable, you get a quick charge. 10 minutes of charge gives you an hour of playback. The headphones have touch controls, which everything is done on the right ear. 1 touch plays, pause, or answer calls. 2 taps goes to the next track, and 3 taps is the previous track. You can also adjust the volume by sliding your fingers up and down on the right ear as well. There are no buttons on these at all. And to power these on, it comes with JBL's powerhook technology. When putting them on, they are ready to pair, and right after that, they will connect automatically to your device. When taking them off, they will automatically power off, saving you from forgetting to turn them off and also saving the battery life, which I think is a really cool feature. The headphones are waterproof with IPX7 rating, which you can go underwater up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, which would be great for swimmers. The durability and comfort of the headphones are amazing. They fit perfectly around my ear and they do not move at all during high activities. I do not feel any pressure points around my ears or even inside my ears. They do a good job at isolating ambient noise around me as well. The headphones have 2 modes, mono and stereo mode. If you want to use them in mono mode, all you have to do is put the left ear back in the case, and then you can use the right ear for meetings or maybe at the office. When you are ready to use them for listening to music or maybe your favorite podcast, you would take the left ear back out and it will connect automatically to the other ear. Now the sound quality is really good and I was really pleased with them. I tested them out with all types of genres, and the mids, the lows, the highs were crystal clear. Not a whole lot of bass, so if you're a bass enthusiast, I do not think these would be meant for you. These do come with Bluetooth 4.2, and I did test them out watching a couple of YouTube videos, and I did notice a slight lag. When playing and pausing the video, you can definitely tell when pausing the video. When the video is paused, you hear the voice still playing for a second and then finally stops on my end, then vice versa when playing the video. I think JBL could have reduced this if they put Bluetooth 5.0 on these, especially for a newer model that was just released here in 2019. Alright, let's get into my first impressions of the JBL Endurance Peaks. I really think these would be great for someone who is really active, if it is from swimming, rock climbing, running, CrossFit, or maybe just at the gym. I like a lot of the features like the touch controls, making it easier for us, and the power hook is really dope, saving you from forgetting to power them off, which I do a lot. I like how we get a combined 28 hours of battery and 4 hours of playback time. On an average with true wireless headphones, you are typically getting around 3 or 3.5 hours, so that extra playback time is pretty worth it. The sound quality is great, which I think JBL does a good job at anyways, and I think you will be very pleased with it as well. It is lacking some specs like the Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, and that slight lag when watching videos, but all around I still think they are worth the $120. So if you're looking for a good pair of true wireless headphones and you want that ear hook type, definitely check these out, and if you end up not liking them, just send them back and get your money back. That's what I typically do with some of the products that I test out, and if I don't like them, I get my money back. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you did like this video, definitely hit that like button. Also, support this channel by hitting that subscribe button. And if you have any questions at all, definitely comment down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer all your guys' questions. Like always guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.